Hi guys, this is Liz. I have a palm tree which is not perennial here in zone 7. So this was inside the house from the late autumn till today. It's looking not so nice because it's not getting enough sunlight or light, and also I always forget to water this plant. So today I'm going to plant these mandevillas inside the pot. The colors I have here are white, pink, and red. Aside from planting the mandevillas and palm tree, I'm also going to do the tomatoes and make a strawberry tower. This tree needs nutrition. This is a mixture of chicken manure and alfalfa meal. Mix, mix, mix. I trim the roots. The new soil level will be the same as this. Putting the white on the left side, then pink here. It's done. Looking pretty. I prefer to plant patio or dwarf tomatoes because they're easy to manage and they are just about 2 feet in height. This one is a grape tomato. I planted this last year and the size is quite small. Typical grape tomatoes. The red dirt variety of their patio tomatoes looks small, but looking at the fruit, I think this is a bigger variety. This is another red dirt patio tomato, and it has lots of foliage, so I'm just going to use this tomato and vegetable plant food, which has an NPK value of 12, 10, 5. It has lots of flowers. The way I pollinate the tomato flowers, I just shake the branch or the bunch of flowers or touch gently the flowers. That's when they're like this, still yellow looking, not like this one dried up already. Gently but firm roll up the container to loosen up the soil. I've thrown in the fertilizer already. I'm going to loosen up the roots, but be gentle. center the plant. My new soil level is going to be an inch above when I bought it, about here. You can actually bury it deeper, but I prefer just where I can see a new branch. Firm the soil around the plants. I'm going to finish building my 3-tier strawberry tower. I have taken out some strawberry plants from that patch so that I can transplant them. I'm using chicken manure as my fertilizer. The soil level is going to be up to here. The crown should be above the soil. This is the crown soil.